Hi guys, welcome back to Rory's House, and today I'm going to be doing my first opening! Woo! Today we will be opening Jessie cake from Shopkins World Vacation. So let's get to it. Jessie cake, can you walk over? You're in my line. Here's a close-up of the bone. He's very beautiful. And guys, stay tuned to the end of the video because we have a special if you guys know about opening shop dolls, sometimes the box is on Okay, we only got like. I'm sorry, Jessie cake. We got it open, finally. Time to get Jessie cake out. First, let's get her little tag out. Okay, we will actually do that later. Okay, here's our box. I will be opening the key later. Here's the beautiful Jessie cake. Here's a pink cupcake. Pop that out. Here is Rose cake, I think her name is. I actually still have the piece of the box. Let me see. So her name is actually English Rose. Look how cute she is. She has pink frosting on her, a little pink rose. She has the Britain flag as her cupcake paper. She has cute little eyes. Just walk over here, please. She is way down there. Let's continue opening. Hi guys! Jessie cake! Hi Jessie. Guys, I actually have more Shopee dolls. I have Carly, Bubbleisha, now Jessie cake, Macy Macaroon, Blossom Apple, Spaghetti Sue, and Gemma Stone. Gemma Stone, since I couldn't make it on Black Friday, I actually had to get her on eBay. It was actually a really good price. Here is our Shopkins World tag. Like the passport you always get. Let's open it. Here is her Jessie cake passport name. Her code is right under my finger. And here are the 3 steps. We can just put that down over there. Can't get her, I can't get Princess Sweets out of the box. Oh no, she's not gonna make it. Okay, here is our little passport. Luggage. Dun. I actually put the passport in the luggage, so I actually got it mixed up there. Nothing in. Raises up and down. That was a little funny how it broke. But good thing I fixed it. I've been fixing dolls a lot. Some of them, like, some of the pieces pop out. Okay, I got you see that little rubber band? It's kind of hard to see, but I gotta cut that for her to come out. Be careful not to cut her hair, no. Okay, didn't cut her hair, that's good. And there's still more rubber bands out. Well, look at that beautiful hair. You guys see that? Okay. There you go. It's so beautiful. Hi guys, it's Jessie. Wow. Sweet. Princess Sweet. It's hard to get out. Sorry, Jessie Cake, that I named your shopkin wrong. Oh, here's another rubber band here. I gotta open that. And another one here. Let me open that. Oh, guys. We got her out! Woo! We got Jessie Cake. Jessie Cake. Jessie Cake. Jessie Cake. Jessie Cake. Look how beautiful she is. She's got this beautiful light blue hair that flows down. She's got a red streak in both of her bangs, and it leads down into this little twist in her hair. You are so beautiful, Jessie Cake. Why, thank you. I love cupcakes. We can see that. You even got a cupcake in your hair. Yep, cupcakes are my favorite food. Hey guys, what's your favorite food? Tell me, Jessie Cake, in the comments. Don't forget Rory here, Jessie Cake. I'm the one who opened you. Oh yeah, sorry about that. You can look at my shopkins now. We already looked at one of them, Jessie Cake. We still need to open them, because we still have her stand in the box and one shopkin. Here is her beautiful stand with like a shopkin, a passport, a star, a shooting star. Okay, let's put you on the stand, Jessie Cake, so you can stand. Okay, because I didn't really like being crouched in that box. Yep, you had to wait until this day. Wow. Let me stand. Okay, I am still getting... Sorry, Jessie Cake. It's okay. Princess Sweets out of the box. Her other shopkin. I'm just gonna lay down. I'm tired from standing in that box. Okay, Jessie Cake. Here's the shopkin I'm still trying to get out. Oh, by the way, guys, you know how Jessie Cake said put your favorite food in the comments? Please do that. And just in case you were wondering, my favorite food is chocolate. I love chocolate cake, chocolate ice cream. I finally got her out. We are the champions. We are the champions. No time for losers, 'cause we are the champions of the world. Okay, here she is, the Princess Sweets. She has a beautiful red crown in her hair, and she has like white frosting at the top, and she has a white like frosting handbag, and she is blue. She is actually the colors of the British flag. I just talk in a British accent right there. Okay, guys, I will actually get the tag that I was trying to get out earlier out of the box soon, like after the video. So first, let's stand Jessie Cake up. Here's her bag, her two shopkins. Fix that. All right, there's Jessie Cake in her game. Oh, it's time for the big announcement. Dun 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 dun. Hi, Rapunzel. Hi, guys. It's me. I brought in the announcement. What? Here it is. Oh, Rapunzel, looks like you put your hair down today. Yep. We haven't seen you with your hair down since Isabel and Isabella's trip to the toy store. Yeah, I put it up in a ponytail for a while. I'm just gonna go stand over here by Jessie Cake. Okay, let's see what it is. Thank you, Rapunzel. You're welcome. No problem. Okay, guys, time for the special announcement. Give me a drum roll, please. Let's see. Woo! If you guys play Roblox, I also play Roblox. I'm a big fan of Cookie Swirl C, and she is my favorite YouTuber. So if you guys want to follow me on Roblox, here is my name. Cookie, Cookie, Swirl, SWIRL, C, just a normal C, Fan, FAN, and I was going to put Cookie Swirl C, Fan, and Girl, but, you know, it's only like 30 carats. So, Cookie Swirl C, normal C, Fan, and AN. And I will be starting a Roblox YouTube channel very soon. It will be called Rory Blocks, like you see right there, like almost like Rory's dolls. I hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye!